Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Miras and I'm come back with another new tutorial. And last video I said I will make a drop down menu. So today I'm gonna make a drop down menu. So no talk more, let's go to the work. So আমাদের আগে HTML ফাইল ছিল আর আগের HTML ফাইলে আমাদের ভিজুয়াল কোড ছিল। সো আমি ভিজুয়াল কোডে আসছি আর আমাদের আগে যে হেডারটা ছিল এটা তো আজকে আমরা সব পেজে যখন আমাদের মাউসটা হোভার করবে এন্ড দেন সেখানে একটা ড্রপ ডাউন মেনু আসবে, ঠিক আছে? তো ঠিক আছে, আমরা সেটাই করি, যেমন কথা তেমন কাজ। তো সেটা করার জন্য আমাদের যে সব মেনুতে গিয়ে জাস্ট আফটার দ্য anchor tag, closing anchor tag, and we will add here another ul and class that sub menu and li and the name fruits, and we should add here the class name that sub menu item. Okay, that's great. তো আমরা এটাকে কপি করে জাস্ট 4 times আমরা এটাকে পেস্ট করব and change that name, that page table and beverage and organic. Okay, that's great. আমরা এটাকে এখন আমাদের গো লাইভে গিয়ে আমরা এটা দেখব। So let's go to the go live server and see. Here we are, that our drop down menu items, and we will give it a style. So go to this CSS file and select that sub menu and width, let's give it 150 pixel and height auto off, and background color same tomato, and box shadow and 10 pixel black. Okay, just make it gray and transparent. That's great. Yeah, and now just this is style none, okay, and just give it fading also 10 pixel around. See that our drop down menu items, and just make it hide, display none. Now we will not do that, just keep visible and just take the sub menu and dot that sub menu item. Okay, and height 50 pixel. Okay, that's great. Just make it 40. Okay, it's beautiful. 40, and color white and font family sans serif. Okay, and font size 15, not 15 pixel. Okay, great. And cursor pointer and just one thing we have to do, that margin top margin top, right? So margin top 10 pixel. That margin will add later. Just make it display none of none. Not li. Where's the li? Okay, and we'll keep our old never li. So just copy from here and copy and paste it down here. Remove one dot. Okay, and hover হবে আমাদের submin, right? Okay, and display block. Okay, that's great. See, our drop down menu is working, but we have to do one thing here. That header, that overflow. Why? That inherit. Okay, now see, and this one things overflow y, right? Overflow inherit, and that li, this position relative, and that's, and here the position absolute. Okay, so see, this is our drop down menu. Just one thing you have to do, just one thing. Wait, we don't need that background, no need, and that box shadow, no need. That's all fine. And color, where that box shadow we don't need, but after all that color is fine. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, that's fine. And just remove and fading top up থেকে আমরা 20 pixel দিয়ে দিই. Okay, that's fine. That's now here. This is our drop down menu. Just make it 30. I think so fine. Yes, and one things here that I like. Cut and paste here. Don't need that. Okay, that's fine. And just li, where is the li? Submenu item, and margin, and here the set that margin top 10 pixel. Okay, now it's fine. And this one thing we're gonna do here, item, copy, and paste it here, and over background color tomato, and just make it little bit dark. Okay, make it little bit dark, and transition all point 5s, and then transform. We're gonna give it the transform. So we're gonna add here the transform, translate 10 pixel is enough. Okay, that's fine. Just see, and we're gonna do here one thing. We didn't add here fading, and fading also 10 pixel, and extra line text align left. Okay, now see, yeah, that's fine. And just width, that width, what I did, and width 100%. Okay, that's great. Now look this, yeah, that's fine. And that submenu fading 30 pixel, and just width, just give it 180. That will look so nice. Okay, that's great. And this is our drop down menu. So thanks for watching this video, and keep supporting me, and to subscribe my channel if you like this video, and like, comment, share with your friends. Thank you so much. All the best, and I hope you will be practicing until we are able to do this. Thank you.